Hi, this is a short tutorial on inserting a logo, a graphic, into our reports. Very simple to do. For this demonstration, what I'll do is go and open up a scrutineering sheet. Here we go. Here's a list of events that have already been entered into the system from a past competition, and I'll just pick up one of these at random. Of course, DanceScore will recompile that event, which we can see in front of us. Now, preview button down the bottom here, I'll be able to see a preview of the printed output. Just have to make that a little bit bigger for us. And there's the printed output for that event. Okay, this is obviously a final, and what would normally happen on this scrutineering sheet if I had a logo, it would appear up the top here in the top right hand corner. Right, I'll show you how easy this is to do. I'll just close this print preview, and I'll leave this screen open here. And what I'll do is I'll minimize DanceScore. Here we go. What you can see here is the folder that I just ran the program from. The program is still running, I've just minimized it. And if I minimize that one, I have another folder underneath there. What you can see here is several logos that I use for testing and for different events. And what I'm looking for is inserting a JPEG file. Down the bottom is a little preview. Click on the others, you can see there's for different events, and some are in colour and some are in black and white. If I select this demonstration logo and copy that, open up my folder that I ran the program from, and all I'm going to do is paste it into the folder there. Now, what DanceScore does is every time it runs a report that requires a logo on it, it looks for the file logo.jpg. If it's there, it'll insert it. If it's not there, it ignores it, and it produces the report without the logo. So quite simply, all I need to do is take my logo and rename it to logo.jpg, and it will pick it up. A couple of little other things to note. See how small the file is? It doesn't have to be very large. The logos are quite small. So when you're rendering these up, just keep them fairly small. They can be black and white or colour depending on your print process. Now I'll bring up my DanceScore program once again, and that's exactly where we left off with our Junior Waltz event we pulled up before. This time when I call for the report, DanceScore will find the logo.jpg file and include it. There we go. Now I'll just make that a little bit bigger. So the logo.jpg file that we just copied into the folder has now appeared at the top of the report. And it's as simple as that. Whatever JPEG file that you include in the base directory that you run DanceScore from is the graphic that will appear at the top of the reports. Thank you. Have fun with that. Bye.